We got Josh out here. He's the one that has won it with the Turbo S. Now he's got his NA race built to the 9s. NA 1000.
Yeah, NA 1000.
It's actually for sale, right?
It is for sale. It's time to move on and do other things. So I figured I'd bring it out, show people kind of what it's capable of. It's got a lot of good stuff.
You've got a lot into this thing.
This car's won championships in Best in the Desert. So it's a good car. It's solid. It's prepped, ready to roll. All Cognito suspension on it. RCV axles. Curtis Sparks built, Mark Queen tuned, 1000cc high compression engine. So has to run on race gas. It's got all the good stuff. But it's I'd say this is definitely the best value out there for getting into desert racing.
Yeah.
If a guy wants to get into desert racing, get his feet wet, NA class is super competitive, and this car is super competitive in that class.
And it's just done. Like, you're not gonna have to show, like, you're not gonna have to add one thing to it.
No, it's just done. And
what are you selling this thing for?
The car by itself
without you in it,
with basic spares, $23,000.
There we go.
I could and I'll sell everything from just the car to the car with spares to the car with all the spares, spare transmission, spare differentials, a stack of wheels and tires, and I'll even sell it with the chase truck. So if a guy needs the entire program with radios and everything,
hit you up.
I can sell you the whole
What's your number?
You can call me or text me at 719-659-3412.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Well, let's see how this thing rolls. But yeah, I mean, this thing's done up. I was just done everything. I watched him last year run the Parker race with it, and he was pretty competitive with a certain car out there that comes stock with a turbo. Won't say names. Car is orange though.
Talon, tell us about this sled here, because I know my buddy Mark is going to want this car for sure.
So I got Sean's Pro EFI Expedition here. We're just going to try to run some laps here just to see how it does with this turbo on it. See what we can get it to compare to. I just like to compare
Expedition is ridiculous, dude.
I mean, it is a freaking animal for an Expedition. Obviously, it's not going to be no Mav R or Pro R, but
please don't roll it.
This isn't my car. We're gonna be at 80%. So
the question is, are you gonna have the heated seats on?
No, it's not cold enough for heated seats. No,
so dialed.
But it is awesome. Other than I would definitely do the truck version,
right?
Just because of sound.
Oh, does it resonate in there?
Oh yeah, you can hear it, and it's not because of the turbo. It's just these things are loud inside. But the truck version, I guess, gets the bed version. Gets you a little bit less noise, but Sean's got the cab because he's got the dogs. He loves.
Makes sense.
He goes and drives this thing all the time. Just see how it does. This is really just to see how it does, see how it handles out here.
I get the first ride with you.
You can run it with me.
I want to ride in it.
I think Ray's more excited about this than I am.
Dude, my buddy Mark wants one of these so bad. He just can't bite the bullet. I wouldn't even touch
one of these without a turbo though. You have to put the turbo kit on it.
But he's a trail rider.
Got it dialed.
He's a trail rider though. He doesn't.
You still need the turbo kit. The thing does like 20 without a turbo kit.
Really?
That's an exaggeration. Sorry guys for having an expedition. I'm sorry. All right, we got Rob out here with the Honda Talon.
Yes, sir.
You are repping for every Honda Talon guy in the world on this track because you are the first Honda Talon on this track.
That's I'm gonna try to set the bar up there a bit, but
you're gonna have to. A lot of people that run that Honda name, you know, there's a lot of weight on your shoulders for this.
Yeah. And it's a non-turbo, so
you got an NA car, and nice thing is there's another NA car here today, a little more built to the 9s NA car, but we do have an NA car, so we're gonna run this against it. Well, we're just gonna run this and see how it does.
Yeah.
I mean, here's the true test. How does the Honda Talon do?
Hoping good. I will. I'll try to get the most out of it that I can today.
Awesome.
It's my second Talon, so I'm
fairly
comfortable.
So you're a Honda guy through and through. Is that what it is? Or a Talon guy?
Fun.
Okay.
But it's really the DCT. If
you just
the
love
Maverick
that.
R Max had come out before I bought this, I would be a Can-Am guy.
Oh, okay. Suspension, everything 100% stock on this car?
Yes, sir.
Alright, battle of the battles. We got the Expedition with Pro EFI Turbo. And we got a Honda Talon and a Mark Queen built motor 1000. Here we go. wanted to see what the turbo kit on a Pro EFI car could do as far as like what it would compare to with other cars. And this, I don't really know, because Mark Queen's got it and built it. So what kind of horse is it getting?
On the dyno to the tires, like 148, 150.
Okay, 150 to the tire?
Yeah.
Okay, so after Mark Queen got it and did everything he did to it, because he can, we all know Mark Queen can do some stuff. He put 150 to the tires on this. And really I would say that was just, I don't know, I just slowly got you up. It's probably another 10, 20 horse more.
Yeah.
So I'd say that, well, and the Expedition's heavy too, but.
Yeah, I think it's got some weight.
So I would say if you're 150 to the tire, that's got to have a little bit more than that to it.
Oh,
Because
yeah,
I just,
so.
like, it was slow, but I got you. It was a good race. So that's what I like, is just like a close race, you know, so you can really see the difference.
That was fun.
And that Honda Talon wasn't in the game, but
Well,
he's stock.
yeah,
You know, you got stuff and I got stuff going on here.
Yeah.
But that was a good race.
Yeah, it was fun.
Were you surprised? I bet you Amy was the most shocked with that, huh?
Oh yeah.
With that turbo on there.
Oh totally.
Because she hates Expeditions because she drives them at work, but there's bone stock. So it's a lot quicker, huh?
Yeah. Oh,
Night
yeah.
and day.
Oh yeah.
I was honestly, I was pretty shocked. By the time we got to here, I was like, I kind of wanted to let off sooner. So I was like, we're moving, you know, because it's just a lot of rig to stop. You know, I was a little bit worried it wouldn't want to stop very well, but
Yeah, once I got into my brakes, I was like, man, he's still going.
I wanted to get the win. Here we go, we're gonna do a side lap, get this party started. What's this time? Gosh, you got the 526 in the NA.
How about that, huh?
That's good.
Oh, man.
It's got to be the fastest NA car.
Yeah.
Time.
Stick it in.
Good old Honda Talon coming through. Oh no, Rob put the Honda Talon on its side. Dang it. Deep rut right there. You.
Good, I'm good.
You're good?
Yeah,
Car's
I think
good?
I hurt my pride, but the car's
The pride and
great,
ego
yeah.
went down. That's probably the most reputable corner of taking a car down.
Yeah.
I mean, we're at the point of a Mavar, X3s, and now a Honda Talon.
Yeah. It's there's a metal tab in here that it probably bent.
Okay.
Right up here.
This
And
is
then
it.
some of the
That's it.
plastic. Yeah, that's it.
Oh wow, that's minimal to no damage.
Yeah, I just gotta pop plastic pieces off, bend any metal tabs back that got bent, and put it back together.
That's not bad at all. I mean
I
everything's still 100%. That's Honda quality.
absolutely.
Let's go with Honda quality on this. Everything is still together. I like that. Everything else, plastics are broken. I don't know. They must have put a little bit more flex in their plastics. Look at that. You got a little bit more aerodynamicness.
Oh yeah.
Just air, just boom.
It'll help me with my cornering.
Oh yeah, it'll fix your cornering all day. You'll
Right
never
for
roll.
NASCAR.
You'll never roll ever again because
Nope.
of that. All because of that plastic. Now Rob here in the Honda Talon. Firming it on the high side. Oh, you got a flat. Oh, you finished the lap off though, but that is not repairable.
Wow. Oh my God.
Yeah, now you can pump it up easy, as Bo would say over there.
No, I definitely felt it as I was catching rocks, and I was like,
I say, let's get some air. We could tell it was flat when you drove by. We're like, oh, he's got a flat. We didn't know that it was that bad.
oh yeah, no, I mean, it probably didn't help that I kept on it. Well, how
Yeah.
fucking bad was the time with it?
Dang.
Glue tread will fix
You
it.
got some glue tread for that?
Yeah.
All right, let's put it in.
Glue tread needs to sponsor us.
Let's just fill it with rocks. You know, just start putting rocks in here.
Yeah.
Didn't anybody have the foam guns?
I left my spare at home too.
Oh, no spare.
Really felt rough.
622.
Yeah.
So you stepped it up because I think you were
It was like
5 seconds quicker than the last try.
Yeah.
So definitely stepped it up. Everybody in red is this season's standings, and it is starting to get really competitive. Come on out if you want to check it out and try. We are going to run the Pro EFI thing around the track. We're not going to do a hot lap because it's not my car. I don't want to like destroy the car. But we're just going to see how it handles and how it does out here in the desert on the track, so we can kind of actually push it and just see how it handles. Oh no, she's stable. That's pretty good, don't it?
I'm really surprised, actually. Yeah, baby. Oh, I thought you were gonna jump it.
No way. Does not have that suspension. A kryptonite right here.
Oh, big rock.
It actually handled really well. Through the braking bumps, it actually did really well. Some stuff you're like, oh, okay, definitely needs some suspension work. Shockingly, more power than I thought. Hey everybody, it is track season. Our sponsors are hooking you guys up. It's our 4-mile track, 0 entry fee to you guys. Come on out. Pro EFI is hooking you guys up with an ECU. Yeah, a $3,500 ECU from Pro EFI if you get first place. And Metalcraft Products is hooking you guys up with $500 cash. And on top of that, they're gonna make our sweet trophies. Then big shout out to Hostile Wheels. Those guys are hooking you guys up. For second place, if you get second, you get whatever UTV wheels on their website from them for free. American Electric gives you guys $500 cash if you get third place. So if you need any electric work done, commercial or residential in Lake Havasu, hit them up. And MTS is hooking you guys up. Whoever has the fastest time, whether you're first or fifth or 10th, whoever has the fastest time in a stock suspension car, they're gonna give you $600 off in tuning. So come hang out with the Desert Side-by-Side Club. So email us at desertsxx@gmail if you wanna come out, run what you brung. A little heads up, the guy that won it last time had a stock Turbo S 4-seat.
When you're not first, you're last.
It's It's all about driving. You don't have to have the fastest car. You don't have to have the best suspension car. It is gonna be rough and it is tight. I purposely leave it that way. Come on out, have a good time, ride with us.